Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video I am going to share with you best high paying CPA marketing network to earn high amount of money online. Look at this payment proof. Today's earning, yesterday, this month and last month. You can also earn this amount of money every day. In this video I will teach you a step by step to earn money online from CPA marketing. Friends, this CPA marketing platform have more than 2500 active affiliate campaigns. The great thing about this CPA network is that this is available worldwide, so no matter what country you are in, you are going to earn money. As you can see, this network has got almost 5-star ratings. You can easily choose any best offer to promote. Friends, if you don't know how to promote best CPA offer to earn money, then after watching this video you can watch my previous video. You can get that video link in this video description box below. Friends, there are lot of websites available on Google to earn money online, but CPA marketing is one of the easiest ways to earn money online and work from home. Friends, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe our channel and turn on the notification bell so that whenever we upload a new video on this channel, you will be updated. And also please like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. In this video I'm going to show you new best CPA marketing platform. CPA, that means cost per action. When you promote CPA offers, when someone click on your offer through your affiliate link and do any one of these activities like signing up, submitting number, installing app or game, zip code submitting, email submitting, completing surveys, clicking on website and purchasing product, then you earn money. I wanna share with you this CPA marketing platform called Adworkmedia.com. Friends, Adworkmedia is a great CPA marketing platform that provide access to more than 2500 affiliate campaigns. Friends, here you do not need to sell any products. You do not need any kind of investments. You just need to generate email address on your offer through your affiliate link. You can earn money without selling any products. But if you want to earn money by selling products, then you can also do it. You can earn up to 90% commission by selling product. Friends, as you can see, you can earn money through cost per action offers, cost per lead offers, cost per sale, content, gateway, and product locking. Adworkmedia is amazing CPA platform. This platform have unique offers from premium advertisers. The best thing about this Adworkmedia affiliate network is that this is 100% free, so you do not need to make any investments to get started. This website provide unique search URL for their affiliate to avoid blocking, such as when you share CPA offers link on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and all social media networks, then they block all this kind of URL link. But if you will share this Adworkmedia offers URL link, then no social media networks will block this offer link. To earn money, first of all you need to sign up on this website. To do so, click on Get Started Now button. As you can see this article, Adworkmedia allows you to earn more from your websites, apps, products, content, email marketing, search and display ads and other web traffic. You can easily earn money from your website using this Adworkmedia platform. Click on sign up button. It will then take you to this page. Just fill out all this needed information like account details, account type, website and promotion details, terms and verification, and at last click on submit application. Friends, you can get lot of videos on YouTube about Adworkmedia sign up keyword. You can also watch that video to understand Adworkmedia sign up process. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. As you can see, Adworkmedia platform have great and easy to understand dashboard. You can see performance stats, campaign news feed, and here is showing people's live earning proof. All these people are sharing their earning stats. Now let me tell you how can you earn money from this Adworkmedia network. Click on new campaigns. Now click on top US campaigns. Friends, here here you can see there are lot of high paying offers. All of these offers have high payout rate. You can choose any of these offer to promote. Once you will click on this offer, it will then take you to this page. Friends, here you can see email submit. That means if any person from United States just submit their email address on this offer through your affiliate link, then you will earn this amount of money. Just scroll down below. Here you can see URL link of this offer, and here you can see banner ads URL link of this offer. You can promote both of these URL on your websites. Once any person from United States click on this link and just submit their email address, then you will earn this amount of money per person. The best part about this Adworkmedia network is that this CPA marketing platform will provide you personal affiliate manager. Your affiliate manager will always give you some friendly advice to increase your earnings. Once your earning will reach minimum $35, then your affiliate manager will transfer your money via PayPal, check, wire, Payoneer, and many more. You can easily receive your money directly into your bank account. This CPA marketing network transfer money every week. Friends, here you can earn real money. Adworkmedia is 100% trusted website. Friends, I am CPA marketer. I earn good money from different CPA marketing platform. If you don't know how to promote CPA offers and how to get lot of audience from different countries, then you can watch this video right here. That's all for today. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in next video.